The project title is Alzheimer's disease prediction using deep learning techniques. Now we are going to see about the overview of our process. The main objective of our project is to classify or to predict the Alzheimer's disease based on our input images by using ANN. So Alzheimer is one type of dementia that causes problems with memory, thinking and behavior. Symptoms usually develop slowly and get worse over time, becoming severe enough to interface with daily tasks. Dementia is a general term for loss of memory and other mental abilities severe enough to interface with daily life. It is caused by physical changes in the brain. Alzheimer's is the most common type of dementia, but there are many kinds like the patient is affected by mild or moderate or very moderate and dementia. So here the system is developed deep learning algorithm for predicting the dementia, that is the Alzheimer's disease, by using artificial neural network. This is the overview of our project. This is the flow of our diagram. First we have to take the Alzheimer's dataset. The dataset contains the n number of images which is collected from dataset repository like Kaggle, UCI or GitHub. After that we have to select one input image from your dataset. The selected input image are carry out to pre-processing step. Here we have to resize your original image and grayscale conversion. After that we have to perform the thresholding. So here we are used Ostos thresholding. In this module we convert the image into binary image. After that our datasets are carried out to image splitting. Here we are splitted the whole images into test and training. Test is used for prediction, train is used for evaluation. The splitted images are carried out to classification module. Here we are implemented deep learning algorithm such as artificial neural network. After that prediction. So in this part we have to predict the input image is dementia or non-dementia. After that we have to estimate some performance analysis like accuracy. So this is the flow of our project. This is the output of Alzheimer's disease prediction using deep learning. First, this is the original image which we are selected from our dataset. After selecting your original image, we have to resize your original image. So this is resized image. Then we have to convert the original image or pre-processed image as grayscale. After converting this grayscale, we have to convert the image into binary image by using Ostos thresholding. So this is the binary image. Then we are implemented deep learning algorithm, artificial neural network. So with the help of this algorithm we got accuracy in a sense, that is the overall prediction how my model accurately performed in terms of percentage. Then prediction. So under prediction the input images might demented. So based on input image which we are selected from our dataset, the prediction is according to that input image. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.